Providing site integration comes in many forms, from aligning resources or integrating systems to expanding best practices across the Hanford site. In 2015, MSA accomplished all of these with the migration and closure of HPMC's data center. HPMC is the occupational medical services provider for the Department of Energy, serving over 9,000 Hanford employees today, while maintaining legacy health records as far back as 1994. When it comes to the HPMC mission, patient information must be kept confidential, while providing ready access 24/7 for the practitioners. Migrating the HPMC data center resulted in many benefits for Hanford. Of significance, it greatly improved the cyber posture of employee medical information. Moving these systems to Hanford's primary data center now ensures employees' medical information stays secure and is protected by the same cyber policies as the rest of Hanford's critical data.
It wasn't a data center, it was a closet, a makeshift closet, for lack of a better word, right? That they brought all our servers, and I used to refer to as the mini Hanford HLAN because we had all our servers within one closet. And it wasn't the ideal condition, it wasn't a good condition to have those kinds of, especially those kinds of servers running our electronic medical record system.
Reducing the Hanford footprint is at the forefront of the DOE cleanup mission. This consolidation eliminated one of 4 data centers managed by DOE-RL. MSA took advantage of further opportunities to perform above and beyond measures that further decrease the IT footprint.
Additionally, the project identified quite a bit of hardware and systems that they weren't using anymore. So the project retired 6 physical appliances, which was huge. We didn't have to move them, we just got to access them, get rid of them. And then 17 application databases. So there were 17 application databases that were antiquated, they weren't using, but they were still kind of dragging them down, or their systems down, because they were still just living there. So we archived them and got rid of them and kind of able to start at least a little bit cleaner in the HLAN data center.
In addition to HPMC data center migration, MSA coordinated the removal of all HLAN electronics and support systems from 3 additional buildings.
DOE is a leader in this. They asked us to come up with creative ways to reduce footprint, improve cybersecurity. So then we worked closely with HPMC as another Hanford contractor, and in that process, we were able to come up with a very cost-effective, reduced schedule and a plan that we could then implement within our current budgets. So all of us working together to really identify the issues, the best path forward, and then team towards the conclusion, which was a successful consolidation. I think we worked better than I've ever seen us work as a team.
MSA is proud to serve HPMC and their mission. Through a trusted partnership and teamwork, our collaboration and innovation is making a difference.